Let's get more on the oil market. Crude dropping today on what is seen as reduced prospects for a U.S. attack on Iran, for now anyway. We're joined by Vikas Dwivedi, a global energy strategist at Macquarie Group. Vikas, great to see you, and thanks very much indeed.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
There's always multiple currents, I know, and cross currents in the oil market. What's catching your attention most right now, though, in global oil?
The big items catching our attention are obviously the geopolitical events. Venezuela last week and the week before, and then obviously Iran is front and center this week. And we think these are the big items.
Right. Venezuela, I know we've heard ad nauseum. It's going to take years to significantly increase oil from that part of the world.
Actually, we don't think so. We think it'll be faster.
Oh.
We think you're going to see some early success, and then you'll hit another wall. So we think, people are underestimating how quickly the first tranche can go up. Now, can it go from the recent 800,000 to 1 million all the way up to 2.5 million quickly? Absolutely not. Can it get another 200,000 or 300,000 relatively in a timely way? We think yes. So, and then maybe another, like 500,000 total from recent levels, also in a timely way. The answer is more likely than I think the market is given credit for. But once again, in order to get back to where they were at, say, 2.5 million and certainly 3+ million, it's going to take years. So we agree with that part of it.
And certainly there has been an effect on the prices for leasing tankers in the U.S. Gulf. That price has gone up, apparently partly because people see more oil coming out of Venezuela.
Absolutely, yeah. Look, if you look at the way, and look, I'm not an equities analyst, but you don't have to be one to see how the companies involved have performed. Certainly their investors are expecting quite a bit more availability of Venezuelan crude. For direct usage and for what it will do to the light heavy differentials, right? They've been compressed now for a couple of years, and that hurts the refining profitability of complex refinery systems. But this should help. This should help. They'll be able to run the crudes they were designed to run with a little bit more leverage, and they'll probably get those crudes at a lower price.
You're not an equity guy, as you say, but would this be good for on the surface for a company like Valero, stock symbol VLO?
Yeah, once again, I won't comment on the equity valuation of Valero, but I can say that with the refining margins in the Gulf Coast should get a boost, right? And if that plays through into equities, then, it would be sensible. But, we'll stick to the commodity picture, right. And I think they'll have a good margin backdrop as a result of this.
Could we talk about this widening discount on WTI to Brent? What is happening there?
Yeah, a couple of things. The marketplace for WTI is just rapidly still growing in production. Once again, against the odds of what the market is always skeptical of U.S. growth. We don't know why at this point. We think it's kind of crazy to be skeptical of U.S. growth until it stops and goes the other way. And it hasn't. So that's one piece of it. But also the rising tanker rates around the world, as you noted earlier, will also make that spread get a little bit wider. So we think those are the big factors there.
We've only about a minute left. Just every so often we hear, Iran might try to close the Straits of Hormuz. One analyst saying that the regime in Tehran would only do that in desperation if they felt they were into an end game.
Yeah, we agree with that. We think it would be an end game, kind of option of last resort. But it would also, we think, if you do it, you've almost sealed the end game, meaning you will be run out, right? So it's unlikely.
We better go, Vikas. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Could talk to you all day. Always love getting your analysis. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on. Okay.
Vikas Dwivedi is a global energy strategist at Macquarie Group.